Bringing your car to a local shop for service is not always cheaper or convenient. Whether you need brake repair, a new suspension, or a tune-up. At Randall Reed's Prestige Ford, we provide complete service for your Ford vehicle, from regularly scheduled maintenance to transmission repairs. At our state-of-the-art service center, our factory-trained and certified Ford technicians take pride in getting you back on the road as quickly as possible. Visit us at www.prestigegarland.com. While you're there, print out money-saving service coupons, order parts, read about our Quick Lane and our fast while you wait service. And at a certified dealer, you get reliable service performed by highly trained technicians you can trust. Call, click, or come in for more information. Randall Reed's Prestige Ford is located at 3601 South Shiloh Road in Garland, Texas.